Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. Today I'll be doing a review on one of my favorites, that is the Sephora Lip Stains, and I just want to do a review and swatch because this is one of my favorites. Now my favorites are, I love the Stila liquid Stila all day stay all day liquid lipstick. I love the formula of those. I love Lonely Planets. And then there's another one that I'll do a review on, that is Dose of Colors. I only have one, but I love that. That's like, I use that all the time. So that is also one of my favorite formulas. And the next one I have fallen in love with is this formula, and this is really good. I love this. So let's start with the swatch. Let me try one by one. The first one I'm going to go from light to dark. So first one I'm going to try, I only own 4 of them, and this is, I don't know what it is, it's the number 41. I know it is something rosewood vintage or just rosewood, I'm not sure because the name is not on this, but it's the number 41. So I'm going to try that on first, and I do love this color. There was another one, I think it was called Blush Brown or Blush something, that's just a tad bit lighter than this, but I like this one. And this is similar to if you own the NYX soft matte lip creams, it is similar to the color Rome and Budapest, kind of in between those two colors. So I do love this color. So let's give it, I just have my lip balm on, and I'm going to give this a try now. I do love this color. I'm not putting any lip liner or anything. I'm just going to show you these colors on their own. Just like a blush, mauve brown, so it has that berry color, brown, and like a plum. I don't know how to describe, guys. But you can see it on your own. Isn't that nice color? And once it dries, it becomes even more like it looks a little more browner when it dries, I feel. But that's how it looks. So I do love this color. Like, this is like a everyday color. I love that. I have, even in Lonely Planets, I have like 1 or 2 that are kind of everyday color. I think Sweet Jane, yeah, that is also kind of similar to this color. So I love this color. Let me come closer. I can't zoom in because I have my camera on like layers of books right now, so I can't like do that. So I'm just going to come closer. So that is 41, number 41 for you guys, and really love that color. Now, so matte, they look so much on the lips. I love that that look, but they're so comfortable. You can't even feel them on your lips. Like, they're really comfortable. You can reapply, no problem in reapplying, just like the NYX soft matte creams. These can also be reapplied. I have not seen any problem with reapplying, and they don't bleed or crack, so really good formula. I don't know why they are so underrated. I wanted more colors, but I think this is enough for now because I'm having too many in other colors, so that's it. So this one, it's called Sunset something. I only know one word, I remember one word, but the number is 25, and I love this. This is the burnt orange color, or burnt brown, I guess. Burnt brown, burnt orange, I don't know how, but I love this color. I have very small lips, so for me, one dip is enough. Look at that. Oh my god. I love this color. And once they dry, they don't transfer. They are beautiful. They don't transfer once they dry. So there you go. Color too. This also for me, it's kind of like everyday color. And they don't look like, you know, like you go out even with a brighter color, they don't look like bam, you know, in your face. So that's what I like about this formula. So lovely. Now next one, let's go to the next one. Wait, let me wait for it to dry. See, now it's been a minute. Let's try it, okay? It's not like a minute also. See, I see slight transfer. That's because it's not completely dried yet. But if it dries, you will not really see any transfer. So I love these. So that was number 25. Now let's move on to the next one. This called O3, number O3, and this is the Strawberry Kiss. I remember this name because I love this so much. This is a bright, hot pink kind of color, and I really love this. I don't know if I put this in any of my YouTube videos. No, not yet, I guess. I've been, the last few YouTube videos, like Stila has a color like this. Not exactly, but bright color called Bella, and I have worn that in a lot of the videos. It's a very bright pink. The Stila one is very bright. This is good. And if you want darker, you can just dip it again, but that's good. My lips are very pigmented here, the top lip. So sometimes I go in and take a little bit and apply there. So that is Strawberry Kiss, and I love this. I usually wear all of them underneath the lip liner just because of my upper lip being so pigmented. It'll show through otherwise sometimes. But these colors are really opaque, so once they are dry, nothing moves. I'm sorry if you're seeing my chapped lip there. Now that I scrubbed it with this thing, it is like, I see the dry lip there. So this is number 03, Strawberry Kiss, my favorite color. I think I like all of them. Now let's move on to the last one, which is a YouTube favorite, I guess. YouTube trending favorite. Everybody loves this. And this is the Always Red. And I think this is kind of the second red I love after my Stila Beso. Stila Beso is my like all-time favorite red because that's an orangey red, bright orangey red. And this is kind of typical red, just a red. But I like this red a lot. It's not like a blue based also. I don't feel like it's blue based or orange based. It's in the middle, like anybody can wear this, that kind of red. So this is, I think, 01. Yeah, 01. So I love this. So that is the, what was it? Always Red, I guess, if I remember it right. Number 1. I love this. Now in the sunlight, I see like it's showing a bit of orangey, but it's like a typical pin-up red. I love it. But this will suit any complexion, I feel. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you all in my next video, and